Okay, so you ready?
Yep.
Hi guys, it's Taylar Madee here, or Lady Locks of course, and I have a special guest with me today.
Hey.
Her name is
Reagan.
Okay, this is my goddaughter, and today's video is gonna be about
Trying chips.
Okay, so we went to the convenience store and picked up a few chips. We went to the convenience store and picked up a few chips that we haven't tried before. So it's kind of like trying different snacks from the convenience store type video that we never tried. And we picked up 2 drinks, which she already
drunk some. So, yeah.
Okay. Let me just put some in there. Was it good?
It was good.
Okay, so let's get into this video. We have, I don't know how many chips, but how do you want to pick to start it off? Do you want to play a game?
Play a game.
What? What kind of game?
You know what? No, I'm gonna try this one first.
Let's try this one first. Okay, we just gonna try them. We didn't think about a game or anything, so we're just gonna try them. First, we have, what is it?
Fire roasted sweet corn flavored popcorn.
Okay. You think you're gonna like it?
Nope.
You think you're gonna like it? I don't know. They smell good. Let's see, guys.
Feels like corn. Like actually like.
Is it like corn on top? What is it?
I rate that a 7 out of 10.
7? I give it like a. Yeah, I give it a 7 out of 10 for chips because it actually tastes like a meal.
Like corn on the cob.
I give it like 7 out of 10. Okay, which one try next?
This Cardi B red hot cheddar.
We're gonna save Cardi B for last.
Yeah.
Cardi B here in the cut.
Ooh, maybe these.
We're gonna keep her right here.
These look good.
Huh?
These look good.
Yeah, I never tried these. Let's try these. What are those called?
Jalapeno poppers.
Oh, we gotta do a thumbnail. Okay. We funny. Okay, we'll try the jalapeno. Oh, they smell hot. We're gonna do it at the same time.
Oh, these smell good.
They smell hot. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
That's good.
I'm gonna do it now.
Try it again. I like stuff jalapeno, so I don't like this again. Okay, let's go on to the next chip here. And if you try any of these chips, let us know how you like them. Okay, what's next?
You pick.
Since you're going with the hot stuff, you might as well try it. What are these called? First
Fire.
Heat.
Whatever it's called. I don't know. It's just called fire, I guess.
Yeah. These.
Delicious.
I like the jalapeno ones. Yeah. What's the best one?
It's like Ruffles, but it's hot. They're too hot.
Okay. They are hot. Let's try this one. Well, let me try this one. And we got these drinks from the convenience store. This is the strawberry lemonade, and what's that one?
Blueberry lemonade.
Okay. Just get it dry because I want to try it too.
Mmm. This one tastes like blue Powerade.
I do. This one tastes pretty good.
Blue Gatorade.
It looks like a blue Gatorade. It's light blue. Okay, so what do we have next? Cheese.
Hot and spicy cheese curls.
Never tried these.
I tried them. They're pretty good.
You tried these guys? Yeah. Oh, they look hot. They don't look hot on the bag.
I know.
Oh, they all look the same on the bag. You ready?
Yep. Not even hot.
I'm sorry, them. I don't think I did these again. But it's different. You like them?
They're good, yeah. One more.
What would you rate these?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? I would like a 6 out of 10. They're not bad, but they're not my favorite. We have 4 left. Well, let's go with these cheese puffs.
I just taste like cheese puffs.
They probably just taste like regular cheese puffs.
It's cheese puffs.
I like the regular cheese puffs.
Can't taste anything.
It don't taste like nothing. Maybe because you just ate the hot chips. It don't taste like nothing.
A little bit.
What would you rate these?
It's just a little bit, 6 out of 10.
I'll give them like a 5 because I can't really taste it. And it's so thin. Could be puffed. But I'm not bad. I guess I just can't taste them because I taste that hot stuff. You can have them. You can have them. She's having a ball with them. Okay. Did we rate the fire ones?
Nope.
That's what we did.
Kind of too hot, so 8 out of 10.
Let me see.
Set it at the bag.
Yeah, they are really hot. Just the hottest ones we have. I don't rate them extra 10 out of 10 because they really are fire.
Let's get this one over with. Taco chips. The taco ones. Chewy's. Chewy's taco. This better taste good.
I love tacos.
Ooh, like this.
Let's see. Ooh, red, like hot Cheetos.
No.
No.
That's definitely, I rated that as 0 out of 10. That's disgusting to ever taste it. Whoever made these chips, they need to get sued. That's disgusting.
Yeah, they don't taste like nacho tacos. They taste like.
They taste stale.
And maybe it's just they might be stale. I don't know. Let's try it again. It's like getting a bad what's the game called with the candy?
Bean
Boozled. Yeah, it's like getting a bad Bean Boozled. It's even worse.
Disgusting.
It's just like bad chili.
This kind is even worse than that. That popcorn.
Yeah, these were the worst.
But what'd you rate it?
Negative.
0. I rate that as 0.
It's in the negative numbers. It's horrible. Okay.
Ranch jalapeno ranch. It wasn't gonna be good.
Yeah, I like ranch. It smells good. I never had these before.
Okay, regular ruffle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. It kind of really tastes like jalapeno. So, I rate it 9 out of 10.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll give it 9 out of 10. Because you can't really taste the ranch.
I know.
Pretty good. Better than that taco mess.
And I'm just disgusting.
These.
Don't try it.
Don't try those at home.
On to the last.
Okay, so hopefully
This is good.
let me tell you the best
It's
for
Wrap
last.
Snacks Cardi B Red Hot Cheddar Potato Chips.
Cause I never tried the Cardi B ones.
I tried a few Wrap Snacks. It was like the little boozy ones, but those are good.
Yeah, I'm gonna try those. Sometime do a rap snack video.
So, yeah, this is my first time trying these.
She left a little note on here. Read it.
Being successful in life and in the music business is all about being true to who you are, knowing your self-worth, never sweating the small stuff, and always following your good instincts. If you follow this rule or thumb, it will eventually create a recipe for success. Please.
Bless you. Bless you.
It didn't come out.
Okay, so that's a real
all
good
good.
message. Now the funny say,
Stay true to who you are.
you know what that means?
Not really. Well, not really.
What would you say? What would you think it means?
Believe in yourself? Believe in yourself?
Yeah. To a certain extent, and just like by saying stay true, you know what true means, to be honest, about who you are.
Yep.
And it's like, just not try to be anyone else, and just be you. So if you like dancing, don't try rapping.
Yeah, I love dancing.
It's just an example, though. Let me try this blue juice, cause
it's delicious. Tastes like the blue Gatorade, huh?
it's pretty good. I think we did a good choice. Well, we made a good choice. I did a good choice. And today is just a little chill day for us. She came to visit me, so that's why we ain't as fancy, but you know.
This is what the chip
Just make the video more comfortable.
It's okay.
I don't really taste it.
Read these. Tomatoes.
I like these. I would actually do a time. I like them. I wonder if she actually eat our own chips.
Probably.
We should come out with kid snacks.
Oh, kid snacks?
We have rat snacks. We can come out with kid snacks with kids on the front. Nobody steal our idea.
Let me try to grab these two.
They're pretty good. Okay, so you want to ask each other questions while we finish eating the chips?
Sure.
How old are you?
I'm 10.
It's your turn.
What's your favorite color?
Favorite color? My favorite color is purple, but I think like my favorite color to wear is probably yellow. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A dentist.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So my teeth used to, like when I teeth used to fall out, I used to put my own teeth out. It didn't really hurt. And before that, I didn't want to be a dentist, but yeah.
We're getting started already.
Cause I love a dentist.
You want to know what I want to be when I grow up?
What?
Why it's funny?
What do you want to be?
Honestly, I want to be an entrepreneur.
What's that? Like sell stuff?
It's kind of like you work for yourself and you do different things just for yourself. Like I want to design clothes, do YouTube, of course.
This better get a lot of likes.
You heard it here, folks.
My turn? What's your favorite song by Beyonce?
Favorite song by Beyonce. Halo. I like that.
That's a good song.
Ego.
Okay, your turn.
Do you have a favorite singer?
I don't know. I guess Beyonce. I don't have a favorite singer. Oh, Mama, I forgot.
Who would you say?
Oh, I'm tripping.
Like if you had to pick a hero to write about, who would you pick?
A hero. I guess my auntie Olivia, because she's a nurse.
That's very nice.
Or my mom, because she's a nurse. Well, my auntie Olivia's a doctor, right?
Mm-hmm.
And my mom is a nurse.
Yeah.
So, yeah. That. What's your favorite dessert?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
All kinds of cheesecake.
I don't really like cheesecake like that. I tried it before. I don't
I like chocolate cup strawberries.
Oh yeah, those are good.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake. Or vanilla cake. Or ice cream.
I like ice cream too.
I probably eat cake and ice cream.
Different flavors of ice cream.
Or cookies. Chips Ahoy.
Yeah.
I like the soft
I like
kind.
baked cookies sometimes.
I like sugar cookies too. And chocolate chip.
How do you feel about school in the pandemic?
Well, I feel good. I do virtual. I stay at home. It's good because I get to take breaks.
They should let y'all take breaks in real school.
I don't know. The only break we get is bathroom break and lunch. And PE.
Like, I should get breaks between learning. I think.
It's my turn? Wait, what is your favorite thing to do when you go on vacation?
I really like the sightsee sometimes. I like the sightsee.
Like,
And like if I went somewhere where a beach was, I would be probably terrified, but I would want to do like jet skiing or something.
Yeah, I don't want to do jet skiing.
I like adventurous stuff, sightseeing. What would you like to do on vacation?
Swim, like always. Swim, not either go out to eat or something.
I like trying different food.
Yeah, but it's probably swimming because that's my favorite thing to do on vacation. Or I should just like sit around somewhere, walk.
Where's somewhere you want to visit?
Like to like beach, like stuff like that, or like just like
Just a place.
New York City.
Never been to New York?
Mm-mm.
It's pretty cool. It's very cold. Yeah, it's pretty cold though.
You ever been to Atlanta?
Nice to go for New Year. Yeah, you been?
Yeah, I don't like it up there. I don't know.
What you did?
I went to the Coca-Cola factory. That was fun because you get like to try like different Coca-Colas. They have like different ones. I went to a museum and stuff like that. But other than that, I don't like Atlanta.
You went to the you said the museum?
I went like not a museum,
The aquarium?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to the aquarium. I liked the aquarium.
Yeah, that was the aquarium was good. Like it was fun. We saw like fish and other stuff.
Yeah.
Is it my turn again?
Yeah, I think.
What's your favorite show on Disney Channel or Disney Plus?
My favorite show when I used to watch Disney was either That's So Raven or The Proud Family. I always wanted to be like That's So Raven because I wanted to be a fashion designer. So I wanted to work for Donna Cabana.
Who is that?
Raven worked for Donna Cabana on the show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She really made fashion design and stuff? Like in real life?
No, but I was thinking about it like it was real life. But I've never really watched Smart Guy actually on Disney. I don't know what channel it was on, but I remember it being on Disney. But I like it to watch it on Disney Plus now. I watch it over and over.
I like Smart Guy.
What's your favorite one to watch on Disney?
That show? Good Luck Charlie and or Jesse. That's So Raven or Raven Tony.
Yeah.
And Smart Guy.
I'm just between these two chips. I don't know what to do. And that really tastes like corn. It's getting me full.
My turn? Oh, your turn. What's your favorite number?
My favorite number used to be 3.
3?
Yes, because my mother had 3 kids, me and my 2 sisters, and I always wanted 3 kids. But now my favorite number is 12. I don't want 12 kids, but my favorite number is 12 because my birthday is the 12th month and my daughter's birthday. Also my father, but yeah. My daughter was recently born. And Reagan's birthday is the 12th one too.
Yeah, my favorite number, you probably know what that is. It's 25 because my birthday is on December 25th. That's my favorite number.
Yeah. Let's say 12. That's my new lucky number. Cause she was supposed to come in January.
Yeah, I was supposed to come in January too.
You too?
Yep. I don't know what date, but I was supposed to come in January, but came in December.
Interesting. Man, she was supposed to come January 12th. January 11th. January 11th. Sorry, January 11th. But she came. Oh, guess.
December 30th.
Yeah. She came December 30th.
Cause my brother got here on December 29th. Then the next day, I heard the nails having her baby, so that's why I remember.
How does it feel to be a 10-year-old?
I really don't know.
What do you mean?
The same as a 9-year-old. I don't know. Have fun, I guess, because that's the only thing 10-year-olds do, have fun. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know how it feels.
Well, how does feel? Oh, I'm all tongue-tied. How it feels to be,
Sister?
Yeah, big sister. How do you know I was gonna ask?
I don't know. I just thought. I don't know. Fun. Teach them how to read, ABCs, and stuff. So,
You gonna babysit?
babysit. I don't know about that. Well, sure. I babysit daily. Only if I get cash.
Oh, you heard it here, folks. That's the thing about it, huh?
Yep. $10 every single time I babysit daily.
How much I owe you?
Okay.
So how much I owe you?
$10.
$10.
Daily, you know, Daily has a good baby. Yep.
Gonna ask me a question?
Oh, what's your favorite subject? Subject in school.
Math.
Math. I like math. I used to like math in second grade because it was easy. But now,
It's not always easy. It's not. But I prefer math.
I like... sometimes social studies. Oh, no. What is it? Reading. Because I'm good at, writing passages. So, yeah, I like reading.
Oh, yeah. You have to teach Damon. You read very well.
And if you want to know, I make sure you're in school.
You heard it here, folks.
I'm almost taller than Nanny. Look.
I'm short. Have you thought about what college you want to go to? No?
I want to go to a nice college, though. That's, good for me. But, yeah, I don't know.
But you do know that you want to be a dentist.
Yeah, so I gotta go to school for that. How long does the dentist stay? You know how long they stay in school? What do they call dentists?
I know it's more than 4 years.
4 years?
More than that.
I could do it because I'm sticking with it.
Okay. I'm gonna hold you to it. So, I'm gonna pull this video up. I'm gonna say, you said you wanted to be a dentist now.
What's your favorite scary movie?
I really don't like scary movies.
I love scary movies.
But I went with this group to the movies. And I thought we were going to see The Comedy. A movie called The Comedy.
It's scary, huh? It was scary.
And I'm like, okay, I'm all up for, a funny movie. But when we got there, we were seeing a movie called The Conjuring, which was a scary movie. And my eyes were closed the whole time. I was like this.
Was it the first one or the second one?
The first one.
Oh, I like The Conjuring. I like The Conjuring 1, Conjuring 2. I like both of those. But before I always watch a scary movie, I like to go to the bathroom because I don't like to get up when I'm watching a scary movie, especially when it's nighttime. And I watch The Grudge. The Grudge is scary. I don't like The Grudge. You got too many jump scares. You ever heard of that before though?
What?
The Grudge. It's like a scary movie. Yeah. That was the scariest movie I ever watched before. You ever watch it?
I've heard of it.
That movie not scary at all.
With the clown?
Yeah, that movie not scary. It's not really scary. It's a clown. Not really scary.
I like scary movies.
Dang, it's about to be a horror video.
I'm gonna have to cut like the first 5 minutes off because we wasn't talking.
Yeah. I drank all of my juice. I definitely would get this one. And it's Caribbean style. For some reason, I want to go to Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
That's because you saw Caribbean?
I don't know.
Yeah, I do want to go to Jamaica.
I have these things. It's like candy. It's It's these. It's like wax. It's like a wax bottle.
Let me see.
It's like in the wax thingies. It's like, so it's wax, but it got juice. It got juice in the things. You don't swallow the wax. You could just chew
what
it.
It's called.
You could chew it.
Nick.
I don't know.
Nip.
I think that's what it's
they
called.
had these a long time ago. I've tried these before. Like, all the it's kind of like it was this store called.
I got mine from Harbor Lobby because they had had the candy sections.
What was the store called? Fred's, and they had those candies. They had Pop Rocks, Chico sticks. You ever saw a Chico stick? And a little candy look like a zebra. It's like peanut butter. It's white and it got stripes on it.
Oh yeah, I had those before.
Yeah.
No. Have you ever got in trouble at school before? I know you have.
How do you know? I've gotten written up one time.
Oh, I never got in trouble at school, so I don't know.
Yeah, keep it
Giving in the trouble.
I was a good student. My first time getting written up is when I went to. Hey guys, so this concludes this video. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like,
comment, and
subscribe, and
give this video a lot of likes.
Yes. And I want you guys to give my guest a round of applause. I believe she did great today. And
if you didn't watch her channel before, go look at the other video with me. It should be on her channel. Wasn't it the video where like the whipped cream and you put the thing and then
the pie challenge. She was in the pie challenge.
Yep.
She was in the pie challenge.
Even my dad yeah.
Yeah. And more of my family was in that video. So go check that video out. I'll link it down below, the pie challenge video. And we may or may not do another video today. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing? We're having malfunctions over here. So okay, guys. That is it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.